Hi guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to teach you a very authentic and a very good recipe called Murgh Musallam. And now I shall teach you how to make it. So we take approximately 1 kg of the whole chicken. Now we do the marination. We take around 3 tablespoons of curd, half teaspoon each of red chili powder, garam masala, some salt to taste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon each of grounded garlic and grounded ginger. Mix all these ingredients well. Now I will apply the masala in and out very well to the chicken. First I'll apply the inner side, the stomach side. Try to spread the masala in all the folds of the chicken. With the help of the knife, just prick the chicken. For the Murgh Musallam, you don't have to slit the chicken. After applying the marination, you have to make gashes to the chicken. Keep the fry to heat. In Murgh Musallam, we don't need to rest the chicken for a while. We have to immediately, after applying the marination, we heat oil and we fry the chicken and keep it aside. I'll put some oil, say approximately 5 to 8 tablespoons. The oil has become hot and nice. Now I'll fry the whole chicken into the oil. You don't have to fry it much. The bottom color has changed. Now I will reverse it. See guys, the color is looking very nice, very pretty. It's looking nice and golden. Now also it's looking very delicious. I'll switch off the gas and remove off the chicken. Drain off the excess oil. Take another pan. Heat it. Leave the chicken to cool for some time. By the time the other masala is getting ready, you will let the chicken cool. Add in approximately 2 tablespoons of oil from the previous karai. The oil has become hot. Now we shall add in 1 chopped onion, guys, in Murgh Musallam you have different types of filling which you have to fill into the stomach of the chicken. Where you can use any type of filling, whether you want to use boiled eggs, keema or chicken pieces or whatever, but I am preferring using rice with some nuts and cranberries because then it becomes a wholesome meal. The chicken and the rice becomes a wholesome meal and it's really good to eat. So I prefer using the rice. I've already cooked the rice and kept with some saffron, cranberries and cashews. The onions are well sauteed and they have turned into a light goldenish color. Now I will add in all the other masalas to it. Black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, some salt to taste, half a teaspoon of garlic paste, half a teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute all together. Mix well for a minute. Two tablespoons of chopped tomatoes. Guys, if you want to add in the orange red color for a good coloring, then you add in the orange red color, or otherwise it's optional. Or let's add in some orange red color. This masala is well cooked. Now I will switch off the gas. The color is also comes good and nice. Let this masala cool and we proceed to the other step. Now I shall stuff the chicken with the rice. The chicken is well stuffed. Now I shall tie the chicken. I am using a rubber band which is easier to tie the two legs of the chicken. Then I take the skewers and I will stitch the chicken. The chicken is well stitched. The masala which has been cooked will be applied again to the chicken. The masala is well applied all over the chicken. Now I shall put it for baking in 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. The chicken is well cooked after 30 minutes. See, so well it is cooked. The stuffing is inside. Everything is well cooked. I shall remove of the sticks now, the stitches. Now I shall plate the chicken because it looks very dressy and nice. Keep the chicken in the center. On the side, the saffron rice. Garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. See how beautiful it looks. The colors are enhancing the chicken. The Murgh Musallam is ready to eat. I'm loving it. It's really looking very yummy and nice. Try this at home and keep liking the video.